Yep. What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're gonna do a different unboxing. As you can see here, it's the Shark IQ robot. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify of next videos to come, other unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We're gonna test it out today as well, and let's see how it does. Here we go. Boom! I'm pretty excited for this actually. I've been wanting to buy the perfect iRobot vacuum, of course, right? But I haven't found one, but I think I have something here. Oh. Little bits and pieces here. Okay. Some literature right here. Okay, here is the actual vacuum itself. There you go. Takes up the whole camera, doesn't it? Boom! There you go. Little vacuum right there. Take that out. Take this out. Boom! Power cord. And the actual base. Boom. Boundary strips, and that's it. Boom. Got the vacuum itself right here. Boom. Let's take out the plastics. Oh, she's a beaut. Let's keep it coming. More plastic to take off. Shark says use this on all carpets. Make sure you do that. Little brushies. Those get mounted on the back here. There you go, and then the other one. And there you go. Lastly, the camera. So some of the features here on the Shark. There's a camera up here. See that? This part gets bumped so that it would know that it gets to swivel. There's also a bumper right here where it's a soft, like styrofoamy style. A little bit rubber, kind of. Back here comes off where you could clean it. For the filter, right there. No bag needed, of course. Right there, boom. And then this part just comes off, and you can just clean this on the sink. So that's pretty good. Put it back like a VHS tape. For those of you who doesn't know that, you go ahead and look it up. On the side here is the power button as well. The bottom has the two brushes up top right here. Little swivel wheel up there. This one comes down like that. Little brush on the sides here. And then this part right here comes off where you can clean off the brush on the bottom as well. Just like that. Fairly easy. To put it back, all you need to do is bring it back like that. Clip it on here. And clip it down. There you go. Good to go. Now let's look at the features of the body right here. Basically, this is a design with no bag, and I like this. This is one of the only robot vacuums that I've seen that could do this. Most of them needs a bag or keep all that. You need a bag. Here you could just click that up there, lift it up, boom. Here there's a button where you can click it and the bottom will open just like that, and all your garbage will come out of here. It's pretty good. Here there's a filter that you can clean off a faucet. So go ahead and take this and just wash it off and you're good to go. Little filter in there as well. So again, once a month you'll be cleaning that. And then the back part is where you plug it in. Right here. It even has this part, a compartment for the cord if you are taking it away. So you don't have to take off the cord every time. Let's put it back. It's easy. Just press it down and you're good to go. Now let's test it out. Here we go. Now what we need to do is open up the Shark Clean app. You need to download it first. Go to App Store, search for Shark Clean. There you go, and then press get. Hit open. Go through the setup. Once you finish doing the setup, you can hit get started. There you go. We've already attached both the brushes to our Shark. We've already turned on the Shark switch right there. We've already found the home as well. My dock is ready. Gently place your Shark. Yep, I can see the blue light. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's continue. Let's hit continue. Let's hit join. There you go. And then what you would do is look for your Wi-Fi that is 2.4 gigahertz, not 5. It won't work on 5 gigahertz. Make sure you use the 2.4. There you go. There you go. All good to go. What would you like to call the Shark? Now let's call it BB8. There you go. Hit go. Let's get started. Okay, we've turned on all the lights. Open the area you want to clean, sure. Clear obstacles, sure. With evac and resume on, be empty every 30 minutes, okay. Avoid moving your Shark or the dock, okay. It will take multiple runs. Okay, start cleaning. This is basically the app for the Shark. You can have schedules. Let's say you want the Shark robot vacuum to clean on a certain time of the day. You'll be able to do that right here. Let's say we do afternoon, around noon, because around noon I'm not in. So let's go continue. Let's go Monday to Friday. Here you'll see all the scheduled cleaning that you have made. It says here the battery power of the Shark right there, resting on dock at 40%. Here you'll see different robots as well for different levels of the house. You'll see the map right here. You see the map right here that BB8 already made. Since we haven't run our vacuum yet, you might not have anything here. There you go, but once it's done, it'll show here. And then there's settings and support and notification. So now let's go ahead and hit clean. As you can see there, just follow me along. Gonna go through and scan the house. So far it's doing a good job. There you go, it'll reassess there's something there. So it goes around it. It pretty much does a good job of doing doing the full house by itself, so that's pretty good. It'll try its best to go up something. If it's too high, then it'll go around. As you can see there. There we go. It'll assess, oh, something there, can't go in. So it'll go around. There you go. Oh, doesn't fit, so it'll go around again. There you go. That's pretty good. It's gonna go straight line again because there's nothing there. Let's see what it does over here. Changes on the tile, boom. It hits that. Something blocking it, so it'll go around. And there you go. Made it back. That's pretty good. Now let's go ahead and try to bring it back to the dock by hitting that. Found its home. Now you'll hear that noise when it's sucking all the dirt out from the vacuum. Now the dirt should be up here now. Now this tank right here, this tank should be able to carry up to 30 days worth of gunk. That's pretty good. Like I said earlier, is bagless, and you'll be able to just empty it every month. Man, this vacuum is surely good, huh? So anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on your brand new robot vacuum. I think the Shark IQ robot is one of the best you can get out there, especially for the price. I was able to snag this for $400 Canadian, and that was on sale. The normal price for it is $600. You can get it at Costco right now at about $500 Canadian. So that's pretty good. If you want to get one yourself, I'll link this down below. Go ahead and check it out yourself. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well. Make sure to hit that like button as well. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.